Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to order on Cnfans. First, open Google Chrome and search for Cnfans. Then click on the first link in the search result. Once on the Cnfans website, use the search bar to look for a product like iPhone and tap on the search button. You will find a variety of iPhones listed on the site. Now click on any iPhone that interests you. Next, select the color, package type and quantity of the product. If necessary, type a message in a provided box. After that, click on Buy Now. You will be prompted to continue with Google. So, tap on the Continue with Google and choose your Google account. Once selected, click Continue. Then you may need to review the color and other variations of the item again. Once you're satisfied, click Buy Now to proceed. After that, select the destination country and click Proceed to checkout. Finally, review your order details and complete the checkout process to place your order. Thank you everyone for watching, hope you get some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below, see you in the next one.